to the Capitol. Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! When people are occupied, resistance is justified! When people are occupied, resistance is justified!
To think about the apartheid and the march was continuing. This was a permanent march as well. It seems state troopers are now blocking people who are returning to the Capitol. So right now it seems that the police are playing a message asking for people to get off the streets and onto the Capitol grounds. They're continuing to cause issues, it seems, over there. We can't quite see from where we are right now, but we've got a good feel. A lot of people have filtered back to the Capitol where the march began at this point, but there are some who still are looking to march.
No. I think, like, yeah. Like, you